Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we'll be looking at the sound V. The name for this letter is V and the sound it makes is V. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. V is for volcano, volcano. V is for van, van. V is for vase, vase. V is for vegetables, vegetables. V is for vet, vet. V is for village, village. V is for violin, violin. All of those words started with the sound V. Practice makes progress, so let's take a look at those words again. V is for volcano, volcano. V is for van, van. V is for vase, vase. V is for vegetables, vegetables. V is for vet, vet. V is for village, village. V is for violin, violin. That concludes our V words for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos just like this, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.